first chord we're going to play is an E major chord. You have second finger, second fret of the A string, third finger, second fret of the D, first finger, first fret of the G, all the other strings are open. I'm going to strum 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, 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 up. I'm going to accent the 2 and the 4. So 1, 2, and 3 and 4. And we're going to swap to our B7 chord. Now to get to the B7 from the E, the second finger is going to stay exactly where it is on the A string at the second fret. The third finger is just going to drop down a string to the G string at the second fret. And the first finger is going to go up a string to the D string at the first fret. Then the pinky is going to tuck in on the high E string at the second fret. And we don't want to hear slow E string. That's our B7 chord. I'm going to strum exactly the same as we did for the E chord. Down, 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 up. And accent the 2 and the 4 like we did for the E. It'd be a good idea to practice the chord change without the strumming pattern to start with, so you can build up your muscle memory and figure out where the fingers are going for that B7 chord. The whole thing would sound like this: E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and B, 2 and 3 and 4 and E, and 2 and 3 and 4 and B, 2 and 3 and 4 and up to speed. Good luck jamming along and learning that B7 chord. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Good luck with this one. Happy practicing and take care.